Laiba's Kitchen Vlog, Episode 5, Chinese-style stir-fry noodles. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Laiba's Kitchen, Episode 5, Hey Foodies. It's your girl Laiba, and today we're diving into the sizzling world of Chinese-style noodles. Grab your wok, and let's walk and roll. How to make delicious restaurant-style Chinese stir-fry noodles right at home. It's quick, flavorful, and perfect for dinner or even a midnight snack. Let's get started. Ingredients: ingredient quantity: Chinese egg noodles 1 pound, vegetable oil 2 tbsp, garlic 2 cloves, fresh ginger 1/2 inch piece, green onions 3 stalks, stir-fry vegetables 1 pack, cooked chicken or shrimp, 1 cup light soy sauce 2 tablespoons, dark soy sauce 1 tablespoon, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, white pepper a pinch, dry sherry or vinegar 2 tablespoons. Method: boil the noodles. First, boil your noodles until they're just undercooked al dente. Drain them and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking. This keeps them springy and perfect for stir frying. Prep your wok. Heat up your wok on high flame. Add vegetable oil and swirl it around. Once it's hot, toss in garlic and ginger. Stir fry for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add veggies. Now add your stir-fry vegetables: carrots, bell peppers, cabbage, whatever you love. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they're slightly tender but still crisp. Add protein. If you're using chicken or shrimp, add it now and stir fry for another minute. Flavor explosion. Pour in the dry sherry or vinegar and let it sizzle. Then add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a pinch of white pepper. Mix it all up. Noodles go in. Add your noodles and toss everything together. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes until the noodles soak up all that saucy goodness. Final touch: sprinkle chopped green onions on top and give it one last toss. And boom, your Chinese-style noodles are ready. Oh, HEOD, it's done, alhamdulillah, isn't that easy? Look at these glossy, flavorful noodles, better than takeout. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Laiba's Kitchen. If you're looking for high-quality noodles that aren't associated with Israeli brands, here are some top-rated options from other countries that are widely loved for their flavor, texture, and authenticity. Brand name: Indomie Goreng. Country of origin: Indonesia. Highlights: savory sweet stir-fry noodles. Halal certified. Tag me when you try it and I'll repost your creations. Until next time, happy cooking and Allah Hafiz. Want me to write episode 6 next? Maybe a spicy Szechuan twist or crispy chow mein?